Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create dash line in Photoshop. So get let's started. At first open our Photoshop document. Now you can see create dash line in Photoshop. Now go to the toolbar option. Now click. Now select from pen tool. Now create a line. Now go into the setting option. Now click from line. Now select from dash. Now you go into the move tool, that is then dash line in the sense color. Now go into the shape option. Now select from double click. Now choose from color. Now click OK. Now you can see, then again select from pen tool. Now go into the analysis tool. Now select from more option and inside and middle caps. Now select OK. That is, now you can see create dash line in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.